Blackberry lemon Napoleon, one of my favorite desserts. Okay guys, so here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some puff pastry sheets, some blackberry syrup, some blackberries, some yogurt, lemon yogurt. You'll need some lemon curd. You will need some whipping cream, some vanilla, and some sugar. So when you open up this pastry, it's frozen, right? So we have to thaw it out. So that's the first thing. You open these up, and depending on how many you're gonna make, I'm only making one, so I'm just gonna use one of these, and I'm gonna refreeze the other one. But you just take this out, and you let it sit on the counter for, I don't know, a half hour or so. Okay, to make the filling for this, I'm gonna use my lemon curd, and I'm gonna use my yogurt. I like Tillamook yogurt, it's local. And I'm gonna use this Magic Bullet. And I'm basically just gonna mix these two things together really good. So I'll get some of my lemon curd. Lemon curd makes it taste a lot more lemony than just the yogurt by itself. And again, it depends on how many you're making. I'm only gonna make one. So I'm just gonna add one of these things of yogurt and some lemon curd in here. And then I'm going to mix it up super good. Try not to make too much of a mess while I'm doing this. Put this baby on here like that. And then I'm just gonna mix it up. Okay guys, so I let this thaw out for about 30 minutes. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this right down the middle. And then I'm gonna cut these into squares. And they're already creased, so it's pretty easy to make sure that you cut them right. Just cut them into squares like this. I cut the squares and I cooked them at 400 for 15 minutes, and this is what they look like. And now I'm going to split them right down the middle. I'm going to build this thing. Okay guys, we start with one of our halves. Add some of our yogurt mix. You could use lemon pudding too if you wanted to. Some blackberries, some whipped cream, and then some syrup, guys, some of that blackberry syrup. And then I'm just going to build this up in layers.